Hi, I'm Supraja. I'm a nutritionist and holistic health coach. I do workshops and consultations for an organization called Sharan. Sharan stands for Sanctuary for Health and Reconnection to Animals and Nature. Opportunity for me to come to Organo Aantharam and talk about how our food choices not just impact our health but also talk about how it significantly impacts the environment. So when we want to make healthy food choices, one of the very important things that even Organo resonates with is being chemical free. So eating organic and eating food in a more natural form is really beneficial. Try to bring in a lot of fruits and vegetables on a regular basis so that you get a lot of fiber. And as far as this beautiful space, right, just staying connected to nature, trying to be in sync with how our natural environment has to be, goes a long way in overall health.